Hello guys, this is Unbox Beauty and Skincare. You're welcome back to my channel. If you're just stopping by and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So today I'll be showing you the new stuff I got for my baby. So unbox this with me. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Thank you. If you need an affordable eye chair for your baby from 6 months upward, I recommend this. If you can't afford something too high, I recommend this. Just stay tuned and watch and see how the chair looks like. It's really nice. It's really not bad for the price and it's really affordable. So I'll be putting the price and the link to where I got it on the description box. So guys, just stay tuned and watch to the end. Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm going to be posting another video of how to fix this chair so you can see how the chair looks like. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.